The SHARPAL 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool is the must-have item for your outdoor lifestyle. It features two V-notch sharpening slots, a tapered diamond rod for serrated edges and gut hooks with a special groove for fish hooks, a fire starter, and a high-pitched emergency whistle. First, let's look at the #1 tungsten carbide sharpener. The tungsten carbide sharpener is for coarse sharpening and quick edge setting to help restore your double-beveled straight edge blade in several strokes. The arrow shows the proper direction for pulling the blade through. Make sure that the sharpener is on a flat surface and that the blade is inserted fully and vertically into the sharpening slot at a 90-degree angle to the sharpener, and that the cutting edge line is parallel to the flat surface. Then pull the full length of the blade through from hill to tip. The tungsten carbide material and the optimum preset sharpening angle is fast and effective. Then switch over to the #2 ceramic sharpener for fine honing. This will polish the blade to a finished edge in several strokes. The SHARPAL 6-in-1 also features a tapered diamond rod. This is perfect for sharpening serrations and gut hooks. Simply slide the rod back and forth several times on the area you wish to sharpen using medium firm pressure. An added feature on this rod is the special groove engineered for sharpening fish hooks. Another impressive feature is the integrated fire starter. When your matches are wet or your lighter runs out of gas, this can be a lifesaver. Just remove the rod and pull it quickly and firmly across the tungsten carbide blades. This will give you the spark you need to ignite your tinder and start your fire. Finally, the 6-in-1 includes a built-in emergency whistle. This is perfect for long-distance communication in the wilderness, whether it's your hiking party, your hunting dog, or even a rescue team. It emits a high-pitched blast that can be heard from very far away. And the reflective band on the side can be used as an emergency signal mirror. The SHARPAL 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool.
This is the Micro Sharpener and knife maintenance tool by WorkSharp. This is for anyone who goes outdoors and carries a knife. Maintain your edge and maintain the fasteners on your knife. It's a 2-stage knife sharpener that provides angle guides for the diamond sharpening and the ceramic honing. So it makes it quick, easy, and consistent to maintain your edge. If you carry a knife, it's your responsibility to maintain it. And this delivers a compact, complete way to maintain your knife out in the field for both the sharpness of the edge and the safety and the maintenance of all the fasteners on it. This gives you a complete solution to keep your knife at peak performance. The 3 Torx bits provided are the most common bits in knife hardware. Whether it's your pivot hinge, your chassis fasteners, or your pocket clips, this tool will allow you to maintain your knife. Easily deployed, quickly changed, I can always keep my knife in peak condition.
The WorkSharp Pocket Knife Sharpener. A compact, lightweight, go-anywhere sharpener for every knife you own. Sharpen anywhere, anytime. Sharpen with a diamond plate. And hone with a ceramic rod. Angle guides make it easy to get it sharp the first time and every time. Everything you need is built right in. Now there's no excuse for a dull knife. The WorkSharp Pocket Knife Sharpener. Guaranteed to get the job done. Wherever you are.
Say hello to the AccuSharp Blaze Orange Knife and Tool Sharpener, the #1 rated and best reviewed sharpener on the market. If you're a hunter, backpacker, camper, bow hunter, or just love the great outdoors, you need this product. It features a V-notch sharpening slot with diamond-honed tungsten carbide sharpening blades, an ergonomic grip, and full-length finger guard. The high-grade, industrial-quality tungsten carbide sharpener restores your double-beveled blade with just a few strokes. Due to its unique design, the blades are reversible and replaceable. Simply place your knife on a stable surface with the cutting edge up and the tip extended just past the base of the table. Place your sharpener at a 90-degree angle. and with light pressure, draw it along the blade's edge, past the point of the blade. You'll feel the tungsten carbide shaping your new edge with each pull. Whether you're sharpening pocket knives, hunting knives, serrated blades, or even other cutting tools like axes or hatchets, you'll have a like-new cutting surface in seconds. Proudly made in the USA, the Blaze Orange AccuSharp Knife and Tool Sharpener is the perfect companion for any toolbox, tackle box, gear bag, or backpack, and is also available in the other colors shown here. The AccuSharp Blaze Orange Knife and Tool Sharpener. Keep your edge.
Smith's is bringing innovation to a traditional sharpener by offering the world's first interrupted surface, diamond-coated oval sharpening rod. This unique, patented sharpening surface speeds the sharpening process by collecting and holding the metal filings which ordinarily build up during the sharpening process. It comes with a soft grip rubber handle, an oversized handguard for comfort and safety, hang ring, and a plastic tip that protects your countertop during sharpening. Unlike conventional sharpening steels, which only realign the cutting edge, the 10-inch diamond sharpening rod hones and realigns your edge at the same time.
The award-winning Ken Onion Knife and Tool Sharpener was designed by WorkSharp with the help of legendary knife maker Ken Onion. What do you get in the box? Well, it comes with the sharpener itself that includes the power base and the cassette. You also get 5 flexible abrasive belts that range from coarse to extra fine. And you also get this handy flow chart that helps you determine what edge to put on any knife, whether going from the angle all the way down through the abrasive to use depending on the condition of your knife. Setup on the Ken Onion is simple. Plug it in, select the angle you want for the knife you're sharpening from 15 to 30 degrees on this angle adjustment knob. Install the belt for the condition that your knife is in, and then select the speed. Low speed for grinding knives, high speed for grinding tools. To get started sharpening, remember to place power pull. Place the knife in the guide with the heel in contact with the belt, power the unit on, immediately start pulling through, and stop with the tip of the knife in contact with the belt. Stopping with the tip of the knife in contact with the belt will ensure that you keep that factory profile and a nice sharp tip on the knife. For tools, you'll want to remove the angle guide, rotate the front edge guide, and then rotate the cassette into place for grinding tools. Use a high speed and bring the sharpener to the tool. The Ken Onion Edition also has an available blade grinding attachment to take your sharpening to the next level. Simply remove the cassette that comes originally with the Ken Onion and install the blade grinding attachment to have the ultimate at-home sharpener and grinder. Sold separately. All WorkSharp sharpeners are backed by a 3-year warranty and are world-class customer.
One of our most popular pull-through sharpeners at Smith's is the Edge Pro pull-through that you see here. And the reason it's one of our most popular products is because not only is it popular with the male customers, but it's also very popular with the female customer. And the reason that is because it's very easy to use, it's safe to use, and it's very quick. As you can see, this style pull-through keeps the handle to the side of the sharpening slots, which makes the product very safe to use. It also allows you to get a good grip on the product and stabilize the product during use so that the product doesn't slip. This pull-through product comes with 2 slots. They're very simple to use. It's a coarse slot and a fine slot. The coarse slot is for setting the edge on a very dull knife, and then you move to the fine slot for finishing the edge. Also in the fine slot for this particular product is some specially shaped ceramic stones that allow you to sharpen a serrated blade or a bread knife, which makes it very popular in the kitchen as well. So also too, both the ceramic stones and the carbide blades in the 2 slots are reversible and replaceable. You just take out the screws you see right here on the back of the slot, the covers come off, and you can insert new carbide blades or ceramic stones. The product has a soft grip rubber handle, as you can see here, for secure and comfort when you're gripping the product. It also has a non-slip rubber base, as shown here, so that when you put that product on the table and you grab that handle, it sits there. It doesn't move. It doesn't slip. Okay? That is the features and benefits of the Edge Pro Pull-Through Knife Sharpener.